and the course registration is free and accommodation is also provided by our college. So just to go here, contact us and get in touch. ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಗಜೇಂದ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಆರ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ಟುಡೇ ಐ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ರಗತಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಳ್ದ, ನೀನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಳ್ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಗತಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್. It's a job fair, okay? So job fair which is organized by the Halwas Foundation. In this college, there are more than 300 companies are gonna participate here. So you can be participate here. So I will give a brief information regarding how you can register for the job fair. So ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಫೇರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಗೈಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಳ್ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಗತಿ 2026. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೈಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಎಂಟರ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ website like this. You can see here Aarvas Pragati connecting talent with opportunities. Just click on that link and you will get the page like this. So guys, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಬಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾ ಗೈಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ in a title bar there is a candidate registration as well as in here also candidate registration is there. You can click on that. So you can fill your personal details and your educational qualification, everything to the candidate registration, okay? So you just need to give your full name and your gender, mobile number, date of birth and email address and your family income, or what is mentioned in your caste or income, and state, which is your state. So you can participate even from Jammu and Kashmir as well. So and your district and your taluk and your current address and your highest qualification. If you are from undergraduation like a degree, so after choosing highest qualification as a degree, and you can select a college name, your institute college name and your university board name and course, which course are you in a undergraduation course, and specialization and mode of study, year of passing and your percentage and CGPA, okay? So then here, if you are passed SSLC and PUC and you didn't did your ITI and diploma, you just tick that one. It will be not select anymore. So just fill the details here. So if you are from sorry, I will tell first SSLC. So year of passing you can choose here. So, and percentage what you scored in SSLC, and your 12th, your stream is science, commerce, arts or anything, you can choose here, and year of passing and percentage. After that, you can come down and choose your technical skills, what you mentioned in a resume, right? So just choose the technical skills here, and languages you know. Then which industry you are passionate about, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. IT ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ ಆಳ್ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ to guide you guys, okay? So just fill the details, whatever you want to choose here. Then additional information here. So interested in higher studies, or do you have a valid passport and are you ready to relocate? So based on your details, they will guide. There is a guides, right? They will guide you to participate in the companies. There is so much less time to participate in every company. So based on your data, they will choose the companies and they will recommend you to participate to that company, okay? I hope you guys got it. Yeah, after after filling the details, you can review and just submit. The application will submit anyways. Yeah guys, then I know you are very curious about what all are the companies are coming, right? So I will show you. Just scroll down, go to home, just scroll down and you can see here ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಹತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಓದಿದಿರ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಹೈರಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ PUC ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ದ PUC. If you are want to be a join for the B or BE companies, you just click on the BE. So it will show you the entire colleges, what entire company's name, which all are the companies are participating in the job fair. You can see here. So company name Avishkar here, Coedberg, Stellium. It's okay. Then 5S Digital, Infosys, Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra, these all are the roles which huge actually, and Kakunji Softwares, Winman, where you can participate here for the IT companies. This is only for the persons who are looking for an IT jobs. Okay, so if you guys want to be joined for a another companies like BCom or BBM, so you can choose BCom or BBM. So you can see here so many banking related companies are there. So based on this, you can participate. This is the list what you guys having with you. So based on this, you can participate by taking the help from the guides. Placement drive is gonna organized by Alvas Foundation, which is located in Alvas Vidyagiri campus, which is located in Mudbidre. You can participate there. Yeah, guys. So one more information is this drive is on 7th and 8th August. There is this Pragati 2 days placement drive. You can participate all companies anyways. Yeah, after that, if you are placing in that companies, your results is displayed here. Okay. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಳ್ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 17 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ 17 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ 17th year ಆಫ್ ಆಳ್ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಗತಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 36,000 spot offers the candidates got, and 200 plus companies every year. And the course registration is free, and accommodation is also provided by our college. Alvas Foundation will provide the accommodation anyways. Yeah, guys. One more thing is, if you guys want to contact for the Alvas Pragati, so just go here, contact us, and get in touch. So you can see here so many phone numbers and contact details you can get here. So there is a help desk number. You can call them and ask for the regarding accommodation related or company related and all. So if you are facing any issues regarding in a candidate registration, if you are not getting where is the college, so in website they provided the Google Maps. You can go through it and just visit the campus. So the location is Vidyagiri campus, Mudbidri, which is located in Mangalore, Dakshina Kannada district. All are interested to participate here, so you can participate. Yeah, guys, ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ದ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಗಜ್ಜು ಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.